Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing power. Take the battery out and confirm the tool is dead. Once done, press the adapter release button and pull the current attachment straight off, keeping a firm grip to avoid twisting. You should check the drive shaft and collar for dirt, rust, or bent parts. Clean with a dry rag or brush. Make sure the locking pawls move freely. If anything is stuck, apply penetrating oil briefly and work the mechanism open before proceeding to the next step. Now align the adapter tabs to the tool head slot so the locator pin fits. You want the parts to seat cleanly. Slide the adapter home along the drive shaft. Keep steady pressure until you hear a definitive click that signals engagement. Once clicked, tug the attachment gently to confirm it's locked. If it moves, release and repeat alignment. You should inspect that the retention ring is flush and the mechanism returns when released. Because a misaligned install, finish by reinstalling the battery and running the tool at low speed while holding it clear of objects to confirm smooth operation and no wobble. If you feel vibration or no display, stop immediately and remove the attachment. Then recheck the adapter pins, retention collar, and wear patterns on both pieces. If the head won't seat, apply a small amount of penetrating oil to the locking parts, work them gently, and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: excessive force hides misalignment. Always realign before repeating installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.